Intimacy is the heart of a thriving marriage. Today, we're going to explore how reconnecting with your feelings help reignite the passion and closeness you once had. This is Relationship Rescue, where we focus on the most important relationship of all, the one with yourself. Everything else gets easy. Yesterday, we explored aligning your feelings with your vision for a fulfilling, loving, complete marriage. Today, we're diving into how these intentional feelings reignite the spark and passion that you once had for your partner, the one you once shared, the one you thought is gone. It's still right there. Intimacy and connection are the lifeblood of your thriving marriage. And they're fueled by you feeling loved, you feeling and being emotionally connected. When all these feelings fade, the passion also fades with it. This dwindles. But here's the good news. Nothing happened out there. It all happened right in here. And that's where all your power is. So yes, you have the power to reignite that flame, always and forever. So let's explore how to actually do this. How embracing the feelings of love and desire, as taught by Neville Goddard, all this brings new life into your relationship, into your marriage, no matter where it's at. Neville Goddard said, "The feeling of the wish fulfilled, if assumed and sustained, must objectify the state that would have existed had you realized your goal. This is an inevitable law." In other words, nothing is going to manifest if you don't embody the feeling of already having that wish fulfilled. Whatever you are currently aligning to, in other words, the relationship, the marriage, the reality you are currently experiencing is your current wish fulfilled. If you want to change what you're experiencing, you must change your feeling states, not your partner's feeling states. We got it the other way around. So you must focus on your emotional transformation, not on your partner's. Your emotions are key to unlocking this passion and the intimacy that may have been dormant in your marriage. Neville's teachings empower you to transform your feelings, change them from your feeling of apathy or resentment into love, into desire, into, oh my gosh, connection. How about that? When you take this shift in your emotional state, you will naturally reignite the spark between you and your partner. Things will just change. I worked with a couple recently where they hadn't been intimate in a few years, and we just worked on her feeling state. We got her to start fantasizing about it again, remembering what it used to feel like. And she replaced her hesitation. She replaced the thoughts that were getting in the way of their connection with the old good memories and some new, really exciting new memories of their intimacy. And it reflected in their conversations and their behavior together. It just magically happened almost overnight once she changed what she was living and embodying. Now they're having a great time together. Everything is shifted because she got intimate with herself. And when she got into herself, she got intimate with her partner. It's beautiful. Give it a shot. This always works every single time.
You need to listen to this. Don't miss this one.
Are you ready to not only rescue your relationship, but to elevate it to new heights? My book, Relationship Rescue, offers a lifeline to those in crisis, guiding you to revive the emotional connection and rebuild the trust. This isn't just about avoiding becoming another statistic. It's about transforming your relationship into a source of deep fulfillment and joy. Take action today and get your copy. Your happily ever after is within your reach, one page at a time. Now let's talk about a couple of ideas and exercises that are actually practical that you can do right now. So there's a couple of different shades here, depending on where you're at in your relationship. Part one of this, yes, you always want to engage exercises with your partner that help cultivate and focus that feeling of connection, the feeling of passion with your lover, with your spouse. Now, if that is a challenge, you're not off the hook. You can create the feeling state on your own. If you have been thrown out of the house, if you have been out for 6 months, 3 months, if it's looming, if it's a threat, do it for yourself. Feel intimacy, feel desired, feel loved, feel connection on your own. And don't be surprised at the miracles you're going to experience almost overnight. Make this a daily activity. Make it regular. So if you're doing it with your partner, make this a priority, not once a week. That doesn't fulfill date night. This should be an ongoing thing because self-care is moment by moment. Staying connected with your partner should also be moment by moment at times. Look, these aren't just actions. Consider these investments in your emotional connection. I understand you might have some excuses, some really painful ideas and moments and data, actual facts getting in the way of this right now. But who's going to remove them? Not your partner. You must be the one to remove them from your plate so that you can perceive and allow your partner to be who you truly want them to be, a reflection of yourself. Now, continue on adding to your 2-second scene that we started creating at the earlier part of the week. Visualize this scene, truly, deeply connected with your partner. Focus on the emotions, knowing that they feel your love, they feel your desire, they feel your connection because they are a part of you. They are a reflection of you. Do this as if it's happening right now without any question. By now, you may have an easier time removing the roadblocks in this visualization. You might have removed the excuses, the painful memories. That proves it's working here on day 3 already. So lean into your visualization. Let the visualization be your guide and return to it whenever you need to reconnect with your feelings of intimacy. Feel the passion and love as if you've already had a part of your relationship this whole time. Because if you are struggling to save your relationship, save your marriage, know that the answers you seek are already within you. My book, Relationship Rescue, is more than just a guide. It's a path to awakening the love that lies dormant in your connection. Take a step towards healing and reconciliation by getting your copy today. Now, what emotions do you currently associate with intimacy with your marriage, with your relationship? What's that one just popped in your head? Write it down, okay? How could shifting this feeling that you're having right now reignite the passion between you and your partner? Let us know below. If you liked today, well, boy, it's time to rebuild trust on a deeper level. Tomorrow, we're going to explore how feelings are the secret and how you can restore trust even after betrayal. My name is Anthony Cortino, Sacred Cobra, reminding you that you are sacred, you are worthy, you are love. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.